Greetings, everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the setup of the course. By now, you should have completed the course syllabus quiz and begun looking at Module 1. Like I mentioned in the welcome video, my goal for you during this course is to create a sport event plan that is portfolio ready. That is something you can put in your professional portfolio and take with you to a job interview to show a potential employer if they would like to see examples of your work. The sport event plan requires 14 sections. You will work on this plan over the 8-week course duration. To help you develop a quality piece of work, I have randomly put each student into small discussion groups to give each other personalized feedback over the next 8 weeks. The groups are for discussion purposes only and the final project is not a group project. The event plan components include an event brainstorm, the event objectives, financial planning, rules and official plans, risk and emergency plans, registration plans, scheduling plans, facility planning, awards and recognition plans, food service plans, housing plans, event promotion plans, staffing plans, and an event evaluation plan. The key to this final project is to choose a sport activity you enjoy. Some example topics could be a youth sport tournament for recreation or organized travel competition, running a tournament for an adult recreation sport, organizing a 5K, running a specific collegiate sport tournament, hosting a weightlifting competition, or hosting an all-star event. Keeping the topics focused within youth, recreation, college, open air, such as a 5K, will be best as professional and high school sporting events can be quite massive and include additional components that we are not covering in this course. Things such as professional contracts for professional players, parent consent issues for youth, etc. Those topics are discussed further in other elective courses. Let's talk about each module. I will use Module 1 as an example. During Module 1, you will have 2 discussions to post an initial response in. These 2 discussion forums are DQ1, the event brainstorm, and DQ2, the event objectives. Then you will need to post 2 peer responses in each discussion forum for a total of 4 peer responses for the week. This means that by the end of Module 1, you will have posted a total of 6 posts in 2 different discussion forums. 1 initial post in the event brainstorm discussion along with 2 peer responses, and 1 initial post in the event objectives discussion along with 2 peer responses. To structure initial posts, please be sure to spend quality time on the discussions and provide detailed responses. This will help you as you put together your final assignment. It is expected that you put substantial thought into the initial post in each discussion each week. A template will be provided in each discussion for you to follow, beginning with the event objectives discussion. Peer responses are critical to this course. The peer responses are intended as a way for you to get feedback from your peers and instructor over the entire course to develop a stronger sport event plan. It is expected for you to show growth from the draft submitting in the discussions to the final sport event plan submitted at the end of the course. Peer responses will count towards the weekly grades for the discussions. Each module you can earn a total of 30 points, 15 points in one discussion and 15 points in the other. The initial discussion response of each discussion forum is worth 10 points and the peer responses to that forum are worth 5 points, thus equaling 15 points for one discussion forum. Since there are 2 discussion forums each module, both will be graded separately and you can earn up to 30 points in one module. Please be sure to review the rubric for each discussion forum. The final project in the course is worth 100 points. You will need to demonstrate growth throughout the course from draft to final plan using feedback from your peers and instructor to make adjustments, deletions, or improvements. A grading rubric will be provided for the final. Since this course will include a great deal of peer-to-peer feedback, it is expected that everyone communicates in a way that is considerate of one another. Maintaining online classroom etiquette is very important, not only as a student, but as a sport professional, or future sport professional for those of you not yet working in the sport industry. If you think a comment may not be nice, it's not. Do not post it. We all know that once something is put online, it stays online. Be considerate of others, and if you are recommending a deletion of something, I suggest using the sandwich method of feedback. This includes praise, criticism, praise. We are working in an online environment and we do not have the luxury to always see someone when we are talking with them. Therefore, our words may come across differently to everyone. Like I tell my son, think twice. If there is any question, something you are about to say, may not be nice, do not say it. Constructive feedback is information specific, issue focused, and based on observations from what you are reviewing. Let's keep our discussions constructive. That is it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know as I am here to help. I look forward to reviewing your event brainstorms later this week.